In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred. Let's try again on Roblox app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if this error is even preventing you from logging into your app, or immediately you log into your app you get this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to go back to our phone and troubleshoot Roblox app. And to do this, go back and look for settings, and from settings on your phone look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Roblox, tap on it to open, and here first go to for stop and OK, then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK, then clear all data. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone, and now check and see if you are using any VPN. Turn it off, as this might be the reason for your challenge. Now open your Roblox app and everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if that fails, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, and here search for your Roblox app. See if you have any update your app to the latest version. But should all this fail and you're still encountering the same error, and you don't have any VPN on your smartphone, then most likely Roblox might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes, and now if you log into your Roblox account, everything should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.